have been watching the future for decades, in films of all kinds in which we paint a future of advanced cities, full of screens, augmented reality and, of course, flying vehicles as a form of normal transport, and still continue without flying cars, but that does not mean that they are not developing. In particular, there are companies investigating the creation of future autonomous flying taxis, which will be able to take us to the other side of a city in record time and without getting stuck. One of the most advanced projects is CityAirbus, developed between Siemens and Airbus. Since 2016, these two giants have been working side by side to create a flying electric propulsion vehicle, through a kind of drone, to transport humans from point to point of the cities. These devices are called eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, for its ability to maneuver in limited physical spaces, being able to take off and land vertically. In the case of the CityAirbus, Siemens is in charge of providing electrical systems that included up to 8 motors with a maximum power of 200 kilowatts each. With them, the CityAirbus will be able to transport up to 4 adult passengers inside at a speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour. The idea is that these flying taxis can cross congested cities at ground level for fast transfers to places such as airports, train stations or buildings with landing zones. With a lower pollution and noise level, initially these CityAirbus will carry a pilot on board, but the goal is that in a few years the autonomous navigation systems are so advanced that human intervention will not be necessary to pilot the ship, and therefore they will go from point to point automatically. And the big question is, when will we see this in our cities? At the moment they are testing phase of all systems to ensure they work and can face all kinds of situations.